Why did he go to that tent? Why did he go under the tent? Well, it was raining that day, so they say, right? And another thing is, if I'm in an encounter with somebody on the street and I'm minding my business and they physically put their hands on me, none of you can say how that's going to end. None of you was in that situation. And I think you need to be reasonable in this situation. We don't know what happened. And so I just want everybody to take note of that and think about that. And there's this thing called, in law, since everybody's playing attorney, there's this thing called the but-for rule. And it can go a lot of ways. And if y'all don't know what the but-for rule is, look it up. But for this happening, would this had happened? I'll give you an example. And I'll start with Kamello Anthony first. But for him bringing that knife to the track meet, would this had happened? Or I could say, but for Austin MetCalf pressing him after Karmello Anthony told him, hit me and see what happened. But for Austin MetCalf actually putting his hands on Kamello Anthony, would this had happened? Would the situation come out the same way? There's something ain't nobody talking about. But there is something called the but-for rule.